was just sent these magnetic letters. This is a really neat set because it has so much to it. It has a magnetic board, it has your uppercase and lowercase letters, and it has these little cards that help with your phonics to help know how to say the actual letter pronunciation. It has your numbers, has different flags on here, different animals, all sorts of really cool stuff, and it's double-sided. So it really utilizes that full card for learning. The letters are a nice foam with a magnet on the back. So you can easily just stick it on here and create whatever letters you want to have. So you want to pick out the letters and you can spell your name. And I will bring in the camera up close so we can see all of the cool stuff. So in this set, you also get a little eraser. So you've got your eraser here. And here are these awesome cards. So you can look at it and say bed. And you can then know how to say those letters. Apple. And it just kind of goes through all of the different things. And they also have the colors on there. So they have different flags for different countries and your numbers. So this is a really nice little set to be able to include with that. So you could even match the cards with the appropriate letter and then have them sound out what they're spelling. There's a lot of different games. You also have question marks and exclamation points. So if you wanted to write a sentence, then you can do that. You've got uppercase and your lowercase letters. Spell your name, and they have different little markers that you can write on this board and then erase it all off. Now on the actual set, on the inside of the box, it's really nice because it is labeled for your letters. So whenever you put them back, you know where they go and also where to find them for whenever you're doing it next time. It's all individually organized. I really like this set as far as how well this allows kids to be able to learn and keep it all condensed within one box.